My name is Nina Copeland, and I'm an advanced practice registered nurse at Johnson Dermatology. And I really enjoy cosmetic dermatology. One of my favorite cosmetic procedures is dermal fillers injected into the lips. Right now, one of my most commonly used and favorite fillers for the lips is the Juvederm Ultra Plus XC, which is a hyaluronic acid. We at Johnson Dermatology really focus on keeping your lips looking natural and just enhancing the features of your lips that you already have. And so we use techniques that will keep your lips looking natural and that you won't have a lot of downtime with. When you come in for injections of the lips, it's really a quick procedure. It's a procedure where you could come in, be injected, and then go about your business like you had nothing done. There is risk of swelling and bruising, but we have lots of things that we can do to help with that. And so most patients don't have anything that can't be covered with makeup or that we can't help you with. And so it's an easy procedure with really no downtime and obviously no surgery, which is nice. And so these are some of the features that we can enhance with dermal fillers. And this picture really depicts the different features that we focus on. One of them here is strong border, and that's talking about the border in between the skin here and the actual lip. You can see there's a beautiful border on these lips. Some women lose their border over the years, and that's when they get their lipstick running up the vertical lines that they start making here. And so when we put a filler in there to put that border back, it does lots of things. It stretches out these lines and makes them kind of go away, and then it also puts a little volume back in the lip, and it kind of prevents that lipstick from running. So that's really nice. Another thing that we do a lot is the pout, and so proportions of the lips are really important. You know, the proportions of the face are important to keep intact so that you still look natural after you've had your filler procedures. And in the lips, what we try to do is keep the top lip smaller than the bottom lip. So when you think of a ducky lip or duck lips, that's a really unnatural look, and that's usually when this top lip gets way too big. And so a pout is when we're trying to keep the natural proportion of the lip, 1/3 of the top to 2/3 on the bottom lip. And so a lot of times we'll just actually put the Juvederm right into that bottom lip to roll that bottom lip out and give you that sexy pout. The third picture down here is depicting a strong Cupid's bow. And so some women will lose that kind of Cupid's bow there and those columns there. And we'll actually inject filler there to give that shape of the lip back. If you've never had that shape of the lip, then you'll enjoy it with the filler. The last thing here is a larger volume for fuller lips. You know, just like coloring your hair, different things come in style. You know, sometimes an ombre is in style, sometimes highlights are in style, sometimes lowlights are in style. Right now, what's really in style with lips is bigger, fuller lips. And so we do that a lot for women that never had fuller lips. Another reason we'll actually inject for fuller lips is because as we mature, you'll have some volume loss, and you'll notice every 10 years your lips kind of feel smaller and smaller. And so those women come in and let us inject lips to get back to where they were 10 years ago. And so we'll actually inject filler directly into the lip to give that fuller lip. And that can be done really professionally with the techniques that it still looks natural, and no one would even know you had something injected in your lips sometimes. So the Juvederm Ultra, we usually tell patients last about a year, and we really enjoy doing it, and our patients love it. So if you're interested, please call Johnson Dermatology and ask for a cosmetic consult with our cosmetic concierge, Danny.